Good evening all. Let's try to analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks EOD analysis. So you can see this Nifty got support at this area. This resistance turned into support on this area and it's still moving upwards. But we got OI in a different mode. So you can see from 18,100 to 350 they are selling it, and as per the cumulative OI you can see 18,000 is a strong resistance right now. The range of the Nifty is 17,800 to 18,000. So this is the range of Nifty right now. So above this you can go long, but still we have sellers, and even today you can see people sold 18,100 to 250. So even we are able to see 18,000 put short covering. So this is a bit caution mode. So let's try to see some stocks today. I posted Titan range breakout, so I hope you guys did well in this. Even I posted 2500 CE. So and people did fine over here. So let's try to analyze some more. Bata India is moving in good trend and good with good volume. Let's try to see weekly. You can see weekly range is expanding on this. Okay, so even it's going in with good strong trend. Let's try to see daily. So you can see we need some correction on this stock, but we can buy again on the dips for sure. Okay, so tomorrow should be in your watch list, and just try to buy this up to retracement up to this resistance 2020 2040. Okay, and we have Titan also. Even Titan you can buy on the resistance, like on the pullback. So Canara Bank, from a few days I'm telling you, like, this stock is moving fine, and on the weekly range it's trying to expand. So once it's this candle, if this going to sustain, then we can see the target of 209. So you can see this resistance 2019 resistance weekly range. uh, it got breached today with a strong candle, so we can expect some good moves even tomorrow in this. Okay, try to put this on a watch list. So and we have Jubilant Food also today. I even posted it. My client did a good amount in this. So let's try to analyze. On the weekly it's all-time high. So let's go to day. Today I posted this chart that it can touch exactly here. So I think over, yeah, this chart you can see I posted 4397 could be the target, and it got tested exactly over there. So now we need some pullback or else breakout in this stock. So let's try to see. Okay, so if you're going to get the breakout up to here 4400, then you can buy any call, ATM call, or else if this going to get the pullback up to this level 4160, then you can buy on this level also. So try to make sure, like, this levels 160 and 400. Okay, so these are two levels for Jubilant Food for tomorrow. And Canara Bank, Titan, Bheel is also moving fine. Let's try to analyze this. Weekly level. So you can see 50 the support, and this level uh, okay, we got resistance on 75 and 85, two levels. Okay, so we are getting good pullback from here, and even volume is so high. So let's try to see on hourly and try to get an entry for tomorrow. Okay, let's see. Over you can see we are getting a good parallel channel over here. So try to buy on this pullback up to the 67 or else 65, or else you can buy on the breakout also, okay, on 71 for the target of 75 and 80. Okay, so and we have Titan this. So resistance, try to see other stocks. SBIN, okay, SBI is also moving fine, and exactly it was at resistance right now, so it's trying to break this level. Okay, so tomorrow if you're going to get the breakout over here, then you can take the buy entry. Okay, so you can see even candle is good, so we will try to go to hourly and try to see whether we're going to get any entry or not. So this is the first breakout, so even if you're going to get any pullback up to here 473, you can buy, or else you can buy above this also. It's a 490 486 level. Okay, and that's it for today, guys. And if you want to join the workshop, then you can join. It's on 23 20 22 23 24. Okay, so you can get the this thing by clicking this registration link. Thank you a lot.